Hello, in front of me I have Amazfit GTS 2 Mini, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device by using the system settings. Before we start, a quick disclaimer: if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 30 or 50%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Okay, now let's continue with the reset. So first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu or up list. Now scroll down, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, let's scroll all the way down and select the system option. Here, scroll down, and at the bottom you should see factory reset option. Tap on it. And as you can see here, we have a warning that if we perform the factory reset, all of our data and settings will be removed from our device. And once you're done reading the information, you can tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process. And after a couple of seconds, you should see the QR code on the screen. That means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.